Welcome to day 20. If you've not been with us, please go back to day 1 and roll through to day number 20. This means that now we have 100 Luo words. Today's words are adongo, adongo, adongo. So that's a name given to a second born of twins, and it comes from the word dong, which means to remain behind. Dong. Adongo. The second word of the day is aduko or oduko. Aduko or oduko. So aduko is the third stomach of the ruminant animals, or the omasum. Aduko or oduko. And the third word of the day is aduma. Now, in some places we call it aduma or bando. Aduma. Aduma might be a common name in Nyando, in Kenya. Aduma. But it also means aduma or bando. That is corn. Our fourth word of the day is adumba. Adumba, sometimes known as chieno. Chieno. So it's a tassel. Adumba or chieno. That's a tassel. Our last word today is adundo. Adundo. Ochoko otesego adundo elaro. Ochoko otesego adundo elaro. So that marks our 100th word of the day. And thank you for always being with us. And let's look for the next 100 words. I hope you can review all the words so that you actually understand and use them in your day-to-day activities. See you tomorrow.